Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video about gold. So let's get started. This is the chart. I've made the gold video like after a few days ago, right? And my stance was like in the triangle is about to finish, and then we will go to the upside. So I made this chart on the 18th, and saying that this is the triangle, and maybe wave 4 is finished already, and this is like wave 1, 2. And then we will go for wave 3 to the upside for wave 5, right? So this is, and then I also made a 4-hour chart with the harmonic pattern calculation there for the same day, the last leg, which is the E leg finishing, and then this is like wave 1 and 2. I was expecting that it's going to bounce and then go for wave 3, 4, 5 to the upside. Based on this, you can see here that XABC, like this diagram here, XABC. Now, we were expecting a bounce from this point C, right? But notice that I had this a couple of numbers here, actually a couple of levels here mentioned here at point C could be bouncing, the price could be bouncing from either 38 or 23% line. Sometimes it comes down to 23 as well. But usually it is from like 78 to 38 and bounce. So I said we are already at 38, so we have a very good shot at bouncing from 38%, which is also 33, 31 as an all level. So I made this chart as well, but the chance for dropping to 23% was still there, and that's exactly what happened. Instead of going to the upside, it made a reversal candle on my 1,000 box size chart, and then I shorted the damn thing to the 23% line. So we came down here nice and clean. Let me see if I have that short here. It's right there. See, so this was let me see, 33. 29 and 33. 31 is just above, actually 33. 31 is right there. So it came down here. So it's supposed to be bouncing from here, but it bounced and then it made the short setup. And then instead of going to the upside, it started dropping. I said, okay, maybe it's going for a wave. Uh, uh, C at around 23% line. Now, why did I close here? And I close here, if you can see, that's 33.15, I guess, right? See, like right here. So the reason that I close here, if you look at this, my 1,000 box size chart, that it came down here. And this is exactly where, see this 33.11. The lowest it made is 33.11. Now, why did I close here? Because I always teach is that the price always does, most of the time, 80% of the time, I would say that it does the retracement extension, retracement extension, retracement extension. And when it's about to make a turn, right, from bearish to bullish or bullish to bearish, then two consecutive retracements or two consecutive extension will come. For example, here you can see that this was an extension of whatever, and then this was a retracement. Let's see how much is that. It was exactly 61%. Then after 61%, usually comes extension to 127. So if we place the fib here, and then you notice that we came very close to 127, never touched it. And before that, we had a reversal candle. So that is a very good sign of a turn happen. So, it's not the geometry, it doesn't have to be like pinpoint exactly all the time. Sometimes it is short a little bit or more of the level a little bit. So more or less it goes, right? But the extension, the retracement around like 61 to 78, extension most of the time is around 127, more or less. That's the idea. So now it started to bounce from here, and then look what happened. Again, it did exactly 61%, a little more than 61%, right? But not touching 78. So, and there was a TL. If you draw the TL, went very close to the TL and then drop. And then if it is dropping, and that was the case when I said we're going to bounce, but instead it made the short setup, reversal candle, and start to drop. And that's where I made the entry for another extension to the downside. Yes, this was the extension here to the downside. See that? Exactly at 127. Here it was a little short, but here it made perfect by the book calculation, a little more than 127, but the reversal candle is touching at 127, and that's perfect. And then from there on, it's supposed to be going to the upside for another retracement around 61 to 78%. So forget about all of that. I just told you that, I showed you the short. Then now the long that I had today, I posted on the website as well. Let me see if I can show you here. Right one here. Look at how beautiful it is, right? And it's written here that, after having a reversal candle on 1,000 box size, this is the chart, right after here, reversal candle was finished. Wait for a 150 BS chart entry. So if you look here, that what time the reversal candle ended, it's 9 o'clock. So if you look at the 9 o'clock, after 9 o'clock, what really happened, 150 is right there. So what happened after 9 o'clock? This is where it was bouncing from, 33.15 to 11, right? And 9 o'clock is right here. So this is where the reversal candle ended, right? And right after that, you had this entry and this entry. Now, this chart is a little bit, so refresh chart is a little bit different, but if you look at it, I have a clear one entry on my chart, and that was, you see that? After 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock this is 10 o'clock here, right? Now, this one never touched the yellow line, but it went up and then came back down, and this is the perfect entry at 11 o'clock. So 9 o'clock, the reversal candle was ended, and I supposed to get an entry from 150 box size chart, and here it is, right in front of you. So once you have that, the idea is to drop this EA, Expert Advisor, the robot, on the chart, make it long only, and leave it there. And then you can go back to sleep or go out and play golf or whatever, Trump's golf course, right? So, yeah, that's exactly what happened. And look at that, right? 230 pip. Now, this was based on my daily chart as well. I made the daily chart and I posted that on the website not website, the Telegram and website and all of that. You see this? If you draw the tip, I made it earlier today, and this is the TL, and it was touching it. So like I said, the previous, this one, instead of 38, it went down a little bit more, the next level, to 23% line. And you can see that exactly here, that not this one. This one was on 18, and this is I made yesterday. You see that? This is 23% line, exactly there. 23% line is 33.11, and it came as low as 33. Sorry, this is 33.8, 33.08, and it came down to 33.11 and made a reversal candle right there, right? So this is what it did, basically. Instead of bouncing from 38, it bounced from 23, right? But the idea of this, let me see, I made the chart yesterday as well, right? I switched it that, okay, it's bouncing from here. So, this is 33.11, 23% line. I said, well, it already bounced. Couple of, 4-hour chart candles are already in place. I was a little late making a chart, but I still made it. All right, so first chart was here. The second now is bouncing from here. So these are the two levels that usually you can call this area a point C. So this is like X, A, B, C. And after that, if it bounces from here and then go, and then if you draw the TL here, it breaks above the TL and then go to the upside. If it is going to go here to 61% and drop, if not, it's going all the way to the upside. That's the way. So coming down from here, right here, I had a nice short yesterday, and today moving to the upside again, and I have this 230 pip trade again. And right now the chart is the daily chart. Basically, if it is doing, you can see here, nice beautiful candle here, right? So this was the chart I made, and then we have a nice, very nice, beautiful candle to the upside. But now be careful. Now the 1,000 box size chart is doing what? Let's go take a look. See this TL here? Connecting these two. Now it hit this exactly at the TL and then kind of like stopping here right now, right? And it's a pretty big, decent move to the upside. And it has a very good chance of turning from here. But what the heck is this? Let's measure that. And you will see the same old story of retracement extension might be happening here. Now, see this 78% TL hit, and then this level hit 33.52. So a very good chance that I would say that it may drop back again from 78 to either 38 or 23 into this area. So now I'm expecting that, and then you can see that this low here is also coming exactly at 23% line. So we may be coming down again for this level, then bounce to the upside. And that would be like wave 1, 2, followed by 3, 4, 5, if we are going for wave 5 of the daily chart right there to the upside. So this is wave 1 and this is wave 2. Wave 2, basically, I was expecting first that it may bounce from 38% instead of 38. It came down a little bit more to 23% line, and now it already bounced today. It's a nice, beautiful, big bounce. And if we continue, then we will go more to the upside. But right now, like I said, it is at the TL and may drop here and make a harmonic pattern. That would be like XABC. And from 78 to 38 or 23, like maybe I have it. Okay, no. It will be like... basically, you see this diagram, I have it open. And why? Because let me show you that this is what 500 box size chart. If you pull the fib from here to here, what do you see? You see this 78, then it goes to 38, then it comes down straight to 127. See that? This is another here, short time frame kind of thing. And exactly 127 coming, 33.14. And it came down to 33.11. The other level was from the other fib was 33.08. So you see how close. This is also a bullish butterfly pattern, and it reacted like this. So like I said, that now from here to here, you can see again one more time that it is at 78%, right? And then it's kind of like, this is a reversal kind of, pattern, and then this is a level here, 33.50, 52 touch. So we can easily drop to 38, which is this level here, 33.31, 33.30, 31, or 23% line, which is this level is whatever it is. Let me see. It is 33.24, 33.24, 33.21, and 33.20. All of these are good levels here. And this 23% line is 33.22. So it may come down here into this area before going to the upside. So now I'll be expecting a reversal candle here. And then what do we need? We need a this 150 box size short entry, just like I had yesterday. Yesterday was short entry. Today was long entry. Then again, I'm expecting a short entry before we go up again to the upside for wave 5. All right. So this is what's happening right now. And other charts, for example, there are many charts I made, and I didn't make the video yesterday for my subscribers either, because like Monday and Tuesday were very slow, and my previous charts were working fine at that time. For example, pound yen chart, I had it. I posted here. You can see here. Yeah, you see pound yen. I said that this might be dropping from here, right? Pound yen may drop from here, and it started to drop, and finally ended up like, you see that this much it dropped from top here, and today's pound yen entry 110 pip right there. Similarly, Aussie yen, and then a couple of other pairs, Euro Aussie to the upside. All of those charts came nicely, and then gave me nice entries. Different charts. This is where the heck? Okay, see, this is gold. This is today's pound yen. This is pound USD. It is since probably Monday and Tuesday and then Wednesday, because it's not moving much. The daily range is pathetic here in this one. It's only 90 pip daily range, and it sometimes just don't even move, right? But this chart also I posted here. Look, pound yen. Let me show you on my, where is it, man? What's up? Pound USD. You see that? This is the double top. It was making pound USD double top, makes it on the 13, but didn't move much. And then slowly start to move. Here, this was his 15 here right now. So I made this chart on the 13. Then it started to move slowly here, right? This was 14, then 15, and then slowly I made the entry here and then start, dragging to the upside, to the downside now. And it looks like right now, let me see if I can show you pound USD. Like here. See the double top and then drop. And I had this chart made and then posted in the Telegram. So like I said, that some of these charts were moving very slow because the market had been ranging for Friday and then Monday and Tuesday, and it's all very slow ranging and all of that until now they start moving, right? And the gold start moving. So yeah, now I'm going to make new charts and then I post on the Telegram, which is only for my subscribers. So if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to learn and you want to get the system and learn how I do the analysis and everything, then you can go visit my website and you have a lot of things there, one-on-one coaching and then this and that and monthly subscription, all of that, right? And then you can get the system and then start learning and start trading like this. Right. So, like I said, that I had some more trades. This one was like pound USD today. Today also pound yen. Aussie yen. Sorry, Aussie yen. Also, this entry was on 19 yesterday, and then it came down, and then I let it go, and close just before the NFP. This one as well, 100 pip here. And then this one, see Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie, this one, I had a 20-minute chart entry from the, even lower. And then this one is also taken here from the 7-minute chart here. And this entry was taken yesterday. And then you can see here, going, gone. 420 pip. So that was the first one from 20-minute chart, 160 pip. This one is 120 pip. This is the magic of this 7-minute a robot as well. I have a robot for 20-minute chart and I have a robot for 7-minute chart. So wherever I see that possible setup is coming, I place this robot and make it long only and short only and look at the other way. And when I come back, I see this. Right. So if if the price is here, I place the long only. So until I have a long, even if I have a short entry, it's not going to open. Right. So after the extension, it doesn't make any sense to leave it open for long or short both. Right. Like I said, that this one, for example, it's all the way up there. Then taking a long is completely nonsense anyway, right? So might as well just make it short only right from there, and then that's what I did. And when it had the short setup, it just opened the trade, and then since then it's just dragging to the downside. But I closed it already, and let's see what happens. It's maybe too much, too early, but it's okay. So you see, this is what the gold is doing now, and I think that I clarified everything very clearly. And 1,000 buck size chart is the very good guide for me. And I'm expecting that if I get a reversal candle here, if not, then it may go up a little bit, and then maybe here, maybe here. But now, for now, I'll be looking for a reversal candle and a drop before going to the upside, another reversal candle, and then go to the upside, and then I'll be in the trade, and then I'll take my entry and I'll show you my trade the next day. All right, so this is what it is. I can do special. I am doing special classes for gold only, and with the discount, if you want, maybe like 3 or 4 classes, where I can explain you exactly a little bit of harmonic pattern, explanation. And Elliott wave, that how to count, not in detail. The one, I have one-on-one course, right? That's a 10-hour course, but only for the purpose of gold, to set up your charts and all of that, maybe 3 4 hour is enough, right? Half of 5-hour course maybe, and then you will become expert of trading gold step by step by step, and take exact entries and big trades. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the trading week. And on my website, there's I don't know, I don't want to mess up. So anyway, join my free Telegram just to see that what I'm doing, how we are, our group is doing, and what trades we're taking. Sometimes I post the setups over there as well. So it is free. It's on the right-hand corner, the bottom, you will see on my website, front page, you will see the Telegram link. Just go get it in there. And then if you decide to join the group, then you can subscribe, and then you will be part of the paid Telegram, where I post the charts and setups every single day. All right. So this is it for now, and talk to you guys later.